So I had a tree branch fall down at home and I was cutting it up so we can use it for firewood, but then I saw this particular piece and I thought it was really cool. Mainly because I actually really liked the texture that it naturally already has. So I thought instead of burning it on a fire, we're going to make it into some really cool coasters and we're going to burn it in a different way, but that's later on. Okay, so the first thing that I need to do is to mark out my first cut. Now I'm going to make 4 coasters, but herein lies the issue. To get that lovely smooth finish of the cut from the drop saw, I'm going to lose 3 millimeters. So the best way to get the accuracy is to re-measure every time I do a cut. I'm going to mark it as I go and chop as I go. Let's get measuring. So we have our 4 evenly cut little coasters ready to go here. But you know how before I said, you know, we weren't going to throw our log in the fire to burn it, we were going to burn our coasters in a different way. I've got my Dremel soldering iron for this particular job. This is a very, very hot piece of equipment in the top section, okay? So it's really, really important that you take care while you're using it and make sure you hold it properly, never touch the top. With one of these coasters, I'll just show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep the actual detailing to a real minimum here. I'm not going to be going ornate or anything fancy, just totally simple. Just crosses, north, south, east and west. Let's go. Okay, and that is the last little bit of the soft Velcro that I've attached to each of the coasters on the base so that they're not going to scratch when they're on a table. Great, huh? And that's it. I mean, it's so incredibly simple, so easy on the detail. And considering this was a piece of wood that was destined to be thrown on a fire, now we've made these gorgeous coasters out of it, I can enjoy a drink by the fire.